Unleash the power of cutting-edge AI right from your own computer. Today, we're diving into running Deepseek R1 locally. First things first, we need to prepare your system. This involves ensuring you have the necessary prerequisites. Think of it as gathering your ingredients before baking a complex cake. We'll navigate to the official Deepseek repository to download the essential files, and any required helper libraries. Pay close attention to compatibility notes on their site to ensure smooth sailing. Once you have the core files, the next crucial step is installation. This is where we'll guide you through unpacking the model's components and setting up your environment. We'll configure any necessary paths and dependencies, so your system recognizes and can interact with Deepseek R1. This might involve running a few setup scripts, and the documentation will be your best friend here for specific commands. Now that Deepseek R1 is installed, it's time to configure it for your specific needs. This is where you can tweak settings to optimize performance based on your hardware. We'll explore the key configuration options, such as specifying hardware acceleration if available, and setting up how you want the model to interact with your data. This fine-tuning is vital for achieving the best results. Finally, the moment of truth. A circumflex euros. Running Deepseek R1 will demonstrate how to load the model and begin executing your AI tasks. Whether you're interested in text generation, summarization, or other advanced natural language processing, we'll show you how to send your prompts and interpret the outputs. Get ready to explore the incredible potential of having this powerful AI at your fingertips, locally and without any external dependencies.